What's the meaning of advice? Advice. 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 Advice refers to an opinion or a recommendation offered as a guide for future action. It is a suggestion given by one person to another to help them make a decision or take a particular course of action. Advice can be formal or informal, and it can come from various sources, such as family members, friends, colleagues, experts, or professionals. The purpose of advice is to offer insights, perspectives, and options, which can empower the recipient to make an informed choice that aligns with their goals, values, and preferences.